Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. So it looks like Fani Willis and Nathan Wade weaseled their way out of having Fani Willis have to face her day in court in lieu of Mr. Wade's divorce trial. Georgia Trump prosecutor Nathan Wade settles divorce case with wife, meaning he won't be questioned about affair with DA Fani Willis that prompted ex-president to call for their removal from the case. I haven't checked out this story yet, but to me, I would guess that doesn't mean that they're off scot-free or anything like that. It's just one chance that we had for new information to be presented. Specifically, I think they wanted to subpoena his bank records and stuff like that, if I remember correctly. But let's go ahead and read the article and find out what it has to say. The special prosecutor in Donald Trump's election interference case in Georgia has settled his divorce the day before he was due to be asked about the end of his marriage in court. Nathan Wade filed for divorce from his wife of 26 years, Jocelyn, in November 2021, the day after he was appointed by District Attorney Fani Willis to lead the Trump prosecution. On January 8th, allegations emerged that Wade was in a romantic relationship with Willis. The questions were asked about his hiring, his salary, and his lavishing of gifts onto her. Wade, 51, was due to be questioned in court on Wednesday about his relationship with Willis amid accusations by the Trump team of impropriety. But on Tuesday, he said his contentious divorce had been settled out of court, meaning neither he nor Willis will be interrogated in court about their relationship. And I'll add that that's in relation to his divorce settlement, his divorce, trial or whatever. But I believe there's still the other judge on the Trump case had ordered her to still be questioned or whatever in February. But let's continue. Willis still faces an attempt by the Trump team to remove her from the case, with the hearing scheduled for February 15th. So she still has a hearing coming up in relationship to the Trump case. Willis had until Friday to respond in court to allegations. The Wade versus Wade hearing scheduled for January 31st has been removed by consent of the parties. A consent temporary order has been entered by Judge Thompson, said Thomas Davis. Judge Thompson's order, obtained by CNN, showed that Wade and his wife have been entered into a temporary agreement addressing all issues, and both agreed the terms of the agreement will not be filed in court. Okay. Wade's divorce from Jocelyn, 49, had taken an acrimonious turn, with her team questioning him about drug and alcohol use. He was hit with a civil contempt order in August 2023 for not complying with the judge's order, issued in May, to turn over his discovery to Jocelyn's lawyers. The lawyers argued that he was unwilling to cooperate and will not comply unless compelled to do so by order of this court. She also accused him of failing to disclose payments of more than $500,000 for working on the Trump case. Their messy divorce was dragged into the spotlight on January 8th when one of the Trump co-defendants, Michael Roman, claimed Wade and Willis were in a relationship. Willis, when she hired Wade, described him as an old friend. Roman, using the relationship to try to have his case thrown out, said in his complaint, the district attorney chose to appoint her romantic partner, who at all times relevant to this prosecution has been a married man. Roman's lawyer claimed, without evidence, that Wade and Willis lived together and he had spent the money from the Trump case taking her on trips to Napa Valley, Florida, and the Caribbean. Neither Willis nor Wade have commented on the allegations, which I find odd. You'd think they would at least come out and say that there are lies about him or whatever, but maybe they're worried about getting caught lying. I don't know. What do you guys think? So to sum it up, it looks like Nathan Wade and Fani Willis have managed to get their way out of discovery in his divorce case, but she's still going to have her hearing coming up in February, and I guess we'll just have to see how that goes. But seeing how things tend to go in relation to Trump and courts, we're not going to get our hopes up, but we're still going to give the system its shot, right? I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up there. If you got something out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button, possibly subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.